Welcome folks, it's Nick here. I'm on my UK mini tour 2022 with a rough theme of castles, coastlines and camping. And I thought, seeing that I'm on the tour at the moment, I'd give you a bit of an update and some expectations around the YouTube videos. So no further ado, jump back on the bike and I'll tell you about it in just a moment. Look at this scenery. Not necessarily the truck. About halfway through, maybe a bit more of my tour. Probably more. I'm having a great time. Super mix of roads, scenery, and weather, as you would expect. It is now October. And some fabulous coastlines, lots of camping, not so much in the way of castles yet, but there have been some. Purpose of this video, purpose of this video is just to give an update and set some expectations about the remaining videos. A week or so ago, the weather was yellow warning for rain, and so I spent 2 nights in a hotel, very nice hotel, just south of Perth, and I managed to I managed to create and publish one video and get a fair way along on another video. Slight detour here for a moment. Well, how about this then? Interesting. Anyway, so I managed to get one up for the Saturday, and I had hoped to get one for the following Wednesday, but it's just not going to happen. So it's already Tuesday, and this little mini video I'm putting out on a Wednesday. I hope you're enjoying the scenery. When I did my European tour, I managed to get 2 videos out a week generally, whilst I was away and then when I got home. But actually, whilst I was away, it was quite an arduous task, and it's not really getting any easier. And because I'm doing these journeys really for my own pleasure, not really for YouTube, although I really appreciate you being there and sharing these trips and journeys with me, it's just too much time spent on doing that. So what I decided to do is I will try and get the 2nd episode published for this Saturday coming up, assuming I can find some bandwidth to do so, as in internet. And then it might be every Saturday for a while, once a week rather than twice a week for a while, until I can catch up a little bit, and then that gives me a chance to do other things other than editing videos for a while. Anyway, that's the update. I hope in this video just to give you a little glimpse of some of the things that I've seen along the way, just to whet the appetite, so to speak. So here we are. The road is closed. I think it's having me on. here a minute. But if you can see the scenery that I'm riding through this very moment, this is beautiful. It's part of the North Coast 500 in Scotland, travelling anti-clockwise, for those of you who are interested. But you'll have to wait and see for the other videos. Anyway, that was it. As I say, just a very brief update. I hope you can bear with me. I'm really enjoying this trip, enjoying your comments. Very difficult to answer some, due to the fact that for some reason my phone, I can't get even a mobile signal on my phone in some places, so it's just been very difficult. Anyway, with that, hopefully by the time you see this, I'll be organised enough to have got the next Saturday's one up, and then once a week for a while beyond there. Unless it becomes more frequent, I'll let you know. Anyway, enough of me waffling. So, all that remains for me to do is just say bye for now. Loving this scenery.